Hi, my name's Alfredo from the Upfirst team. If you're watching this, you're probably an Upfirst customer, and I wanted to tell you about a small but important change we made that makes it simpler to train your receptionist. Before, instructions and FAQs went to a section called Knowledge, and then anything you wanted the receptionist to ask went in a section called Ask Questions. And that sounds like it makes sense, but in practice it got kind of confusing because you could technically put questions in Knowledge too, and then if you had a lot of questions, then adding them one by one in Ask Questions got really tedious. And then what if you wanted to ask different questions in different scenarios? It just got kind of messy. So we simplified things. Knowledge is now called training. And that name reflects what this section actually is, which is one place for everything you want your receptionist to know, do, or ask. There's no more separate Ask Questions section. If you want your receptionist to ask a question, just tell it to ask that question in your training. If you wanted to ask different things for different scenarios, you just write out those instructions and the receptionist will follow them. If you had Ask Questions set up before, don't worry, we migrated all of that info to your training automatically. You'll see a new entry called Questions to Ask Callers with everything you had before. Okay, now what about those nice little highlights at the top of every call summary? Don't worry, those aren't going away either. You'll find a new section under Settings called Custom Fields, and these tell the receptionist what to extract from each call and pin to the top of your summaries. These are also the same fields that get passed through Zapier if you have Zapier set up. An important thing to know up front is that just because you have a custom field doesn't mean the receptionist is going to collect this information. If you want your receptionist to ask something, that goes in training. These custom fields are just the fields that get pinned to the top of your call summaries. It's the info that gets extracted from the transcripts. And there are two types of fields: contact fields and call fields. Let's imagine for a second that you run a cookie delivery business. The caller's name and delivery address belong to that specific caller. And once those get extracted on the first call, they stick to that caller going forward. So the same person calls back, it's the same info, no need to re-extract it. Those are contact fields. But things like cookie quantity and flavor change every order, so you want those fresh on every call. Those are call fields. And here's the best part, you don't have to set any of this up by hand. Anytime you add something in training that instructs your receptionist to collect information, Upfirst is automatically going to generate custom call fields for you, so your summaries stay easy to skim without any extra work. And that's it. One place for instructions, one place for the info you want extracted from your calls and highlighted in your summaries. Log in and take a look. If you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. And we've got some other really big updates coming soon that I'm super excited for. The ability to add multiple people to your account and texting, don't tell anybody. We will let you know as we get closer to launching those updates.